welcome back to the channel, guys. We are here at the Dragstrip finally, and we got the GT500 over there. I've got the wire in to cool things down to run the intercooler pump and the fans, and Caleb is about to take this down the track, so we're gonna go watch him. All right, guys, we got Battle of the Foxes. We got a push rod and we got a coyote. Let's see what he ran. What'd you run?
786.
786 at 92 with a 188.
It seemed like slipping it came out a little better.
Yeah.
But, I mean, the 60 foot basically stayed the same. Mile an hour, about the same. And we slowed down on ET. So I think it seemed like it liked it. I don't know.
Gonna make another pass?
Yeah, we're gonna hot lap it.
Okay. All right, Toby, what did we do?
I'm shaking. 5.
All right, let's go get in the light. All right, guys, look at there. Toby went at 138.60. Man, I knew it left really good.
That's hard. He pulled the wheel.
And then ran at 5.999 at 115. I don't care. That's a 5-second pass right there.
It's barely, but it's there. It's there. We'll see if we can get
so
one more.
So what boost was that on?
That was 14 pounds. I believe
14
on 10, and I brought it in to 14.
So we're going to leave on 12, bring it into 15.
It won't take 12.
It won't take 12?
I tried it earlier.
You tried it earlier, okay. So leave on 10.
I might bring it in to 16.
How fast are you bringing it in?
13 a half a second and 14 in a second.
Okay. So you're going to bring it up to 15?
I might bring it up to 16.
Uh-oh, 16. He done got the
I
bug.
get a little deeper in the 5.
So the best it's ever been is 580s by the previous owner, right?
Right. He had
So
132, 133.60.
So you're right there.
Right there, and the tires are wore out. They don't even have any.
Man.
They don't have any groove.
Dude, it left good.
It left hard.
It left really good.
It felt good.
Sweet. All right, guys, we're gonna see what else he can do tonight. All right, guys, here we go. We're gonna make our first pass. All right, guys, we're gonna see what the track will hold tonight. Hopefully it'll hold me. right, didn't hold. We spun. Oh well, we'll let her cool down and maybe get one more pass. 189.60, so I lost quite a bit of my 60. 766 with a 97 mile an hour. So we spun a little bit, so not bad. 189 spinning, not bad. Track didn't hold me. Still ran a 766 at 97 with a 189. I spun my ass off.
Mile an hour's crazy.
Oh yeah, mile an hour good. I spun. I'm gonna let it cool down, and
I want to see how that footage looks.
all right guys, we're gonna let it cool down and make one more pass and see if it'll grab. We might lower the tire pressure. All right, Toby, I know you spun a little bit. What we run?
Spun a lot.
Yeah, I know, right?
We went a 644.
644 at 115. You still got the mile per hour still there.
Just spun. I had to jump in and out a couple of times.
Yep, 15360, and the other one was 13860.
Exactly.
So yeah, so
yeah,
definitely.
That's where it lost.
That's not bad spinning and still running 644.
no, especially at the.
You can't be mad. You can't be mad about that.
It was fun, but I was hoping to do a 70.
There you go. You'll get there, man.
Oh yeah.
You'll get there.
Thank you.
Cody, we need turbo in your life, man.
Man, I'm waiting. I'm waiting on them.
Precision turbo. Look,
Yeah.
look, man. You rep precision turbo more than anybody I've ever seen.
So hard. So hard.
I want to say a LS swap, but I hate
Oh, yeah. No, not in a Ford.
LS.
Not in a Ford. Fords do good. All right, guys, we're about to make the final pass of the night, the second pass. They have braided the track a little bit. They want to try to get it to where I can hook. I'm gonna leave a little easier.
I mean, I have a little bit of a reach, but I'm not that bad.
right, guys, that was a good pass. I bogged just a little bit. I didn't want to blow tires off, but good solid pass. I'm thinking 740. We'll see though. Still trying to figure out what this clutch likes. After that run, my IATs are setting right there, guys. My IATs are setting around 120. That's after the run. So that VMP heat exchanger is doing good. Of course, it's 71 degrees outside. I think the DA is around 2200, I believe. Let's see. Yep, what I thought. 16560 ran a 741 at 96 mile an hour. All right, guys, so we ended up running a 741 at 96 mile an hour with a 16560. So didn't get my 60 foot down like I wanted to tonight. We're gonna work on it as time goes on, but the car's still running great. Still mile per hour and great, and it's still doing great. And guys, I know what you're thinking. You didn't race Caleb. I wanted to race Caleb. Caleb's not happy with the way his car is doing. He's trying to figure his car out. So I'm gonna wait till he gets it right, and then we're gonna run. I'm waiting on him, but he'll get it right, and then we'll have a good race. I want it to be a good race. I don't want something, you know, I don't want me to be running good and him not, you know, vice versa. So we'll get it taken care of eventually, I promise. But anyway, guys, I'm ending this video here. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.